Today I'm gonna make chicken chile verde since it only takes 20 minutes to cook. This recipe works great with 2 pounds of chicken breast, which I've already cubed into smaller pieces. Now you're gonna season your chicken with 1 teaspoon of salt, 4 minced garlic cloves. You're gonna combine everything so that your salt and your garlic adhere to your chicken. Once you've done that, you're gonna add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and you're gonna give that a loving mix. Go ahead and set your chicken to the side while we start blending our chile verde. To your blender, you're gonna add 8 hatch chilies. If they're a little bit small, you're gonna wanna add 2 extra ones. And when you roast them, keep 2 hatch chilies on the side because we're gonna need these a little bit later. For added flavor and spice, I'm gonna add 1 jalapeño and a bunch of cilantro. How many stems? I think there's about 18. Now you guys are spoiled and wanna know the exact amounts. And you're gonna add your chicken broth to fill it to the max liquid line. And then you're gonna blend until smooth. And boom, done. I've been heating up my pan on a high heat, and as soon as I see the smoke come out, that's when you wanna add half a tablespoon of oil. And in my case, I'm gonna start off with a little bit of chicken fat that I have left over so that I can get extra flavor in our dish. Once the chicken has been rendering for a good 2 to 3 minutes, then I'm gonna add all my pieces of chicken. Once you add your chicken, you're gonna add half of a chopped onion, and you're gonna continue to cook on high for another 2.5 minutes. Do not move anything. Perfect, go ahead and give that a loving mix. Then you're gonna add 2 of your hatch green chiles, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, chile verde sauce, the remaining chicken broth, 1 tablespoon of Mexican oregano, and if you don't have access to Mexican oregano, go ahead and skip it. And you're just waiting for your pan to come to a vigorous boil. And you're gonna continue to cook on a medium heat for 10 to 13 minutes until your sauce is nice and thick. And boom, done, we're ready to serve. And if you have a teenager or a hearty eater, they're more likely to enjoy this in a big and juicy burrito. So delicious. And if you're in the Colorado area, you're gonna wanna really soak it up in there. I don't know, this one wants to wrestle with me. I'm gonna need somebody very special to say